Hello everyone, I'm Dr. A.G. Karthikeyan, a pediatrician and newborn baby specialist. Welcome to NRG Healthcare channel. Today I'm going to talk about an important topic in babies, that is their sleep. So many parents are very anxious about their baby's sleep, wondering whether the babies get enough duration of sleep and whether the quality of sleep is good. So today I'm going to talk on three things about baby sleep. The first one I'm going to talk is about the sleep duration in babies. So how much do normal babies usually sleep? The second one is about the sleep pattern. So that is how much a baby needs to sleep during the daytime and nighttime. And third is establishing sleep routine in babies. So this is very important as many parents find it difficult to establish a sleep routine for their babies. So we'll see later in this video how you can establish sleep routine in babies. So coming to the first point, sleep duration in babies. So generally newborn babies sleep quite a lot. On an average, they sleep about 18 hours every day. As the baby grows older, say at about 3 months of age, babies sleep for about on an average 15 hours per day. And as they grow a little bit older at around 6 months of age, they sleep for around 14 hours a day. So each baby is different. So what I'm saying here is only an average. So your baby could be different from this average. So always check with your pediatrician if you feel that your baby is sleeping excessively or if your baby is sleeping very poorly. The next one is about sleep pattern. Sleep pattern refers to the duration of sleep in babies when at nighttime and at daytime. As I mentioned earlier, a newborn baby will sleep for about 18 hours every day. This is equally distributed between the daytime and nighttime, roughly about 9 to 10 hours during daytime and about 9 to 10 hours during nighttime. So as the baby grows older, say at around 3 months, when their average sleep duration is about 15 hours, they tend to sleep for about 10 hours at night time and usually around about 5 hours at daytime. And at around 6 months, when their sleep duration is about 14 hours, they tend to sleep around 11 hours at night time and then around 3 hours during the daytime. So as the baby grows older, it's important that the baby starts sleeping more during the night time and becomes more active during the daytime. So in order to establish the sleep pattern, you need to establish good sleep routines for your baby. So this is what I'm going to talk now in the third part of this video. So sleep routine refers to what are the things parents can do so that the baby feels that it's sleep time. So you need to establish certain routines so that the baby realizes that the activity should stop and we should go to sleep. So how can parents help their baby? The first thing is parents should pick up the signs of sleep in babies. So some babies yawn a lot. Some of them, they start crying without any clear reason. Some babies start becoming fussy. They don't fix on the mother's face. They just turn their face away. And some of them can cry a lot when they're about to sleep. So you need to pick up certain signs in your baby and identify when the baby is falling or feeling sleepy. So when you feel that your baby is feeling sleepy, you can gently rock your baby in your arms or pat the baby on your shoulder. So once you do this, you'll notice that your baby is starting to go to sleep. So do not allow your baby to sleep in your arms. This is very important because as soon as you realize that the baby is about to go to sleep, make the baby lie down on the cot or on the bed where the baby should sleep, and then gently allow the baby to go to sleep on his or her own. You can play a soft music to gently allow the baby to drift to sleep, or the mother can sing a soft song to help the baby to go to sleep. So this is very important because if the baby wakes up, generally babies are very light sleepers. So if the baby wakes up, the baby should be able to go back to sleep while lying on the cot. Do not try to lift the baby up and try to rock the baby again because it becomes a habit. It becomes difficult for the baby as well as difficult for the parents as the baby grows older, spending sleepless nights and rocking babies to go to sleep. The other thing parents can do is some of the babies like to have a bath just before bedtime. The parents can provide a warm bath before bedtime, followed by a bit of massage. So this helps the baby to go to sleep easily. Another tip is when the baby wakes up for a feed at night time, do not overstimulate the baby, like switching on the lights, making a lot of noises. So try and minimize the activity around the baby during the night time. Let the baby wake up for a feed and then go back to sleep as early as possible. So try not to stimulate the baby too much. So you can post your personal experiences in the comments below as to how you helped your baby to establish a sleep pattern and a sleep routine. Maybe it will be useful for other parents as well. So if you like this video, please share this video. Click on the like button. Uh, you're welcome to subscribe to our channel. We'll be posting more videos like this in our channel. And please click on the bell notification in order to get more notifications about such videos. Thank you so much.